Hello, lovely good morning to my dear respected members, dear students, colleagues, dear learners, aspirants. So today I want to discuss a little bit of hematopoietic vitamins. By name it is clear, hematopoietic mean those vitamins which are participating in hematopoiesis synthetic reactions, that is called hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis mainly we can say senses or biosynthesis of RBCs. Biosynthesis of RBCs mainly we can say red blood cells. Mean those important vitamins which are participating for the proper synthesis of the RBCs, red blood cells, or another word we can say erythrocytes. That is called hematopoiesis. Process is hematopoiesis, and participating vitamins are referred as hematopoietic vitamins. Though indirectly there may be the involvement of so many vitamins in this case, hematopoietic reactions, but the most important vitamins which are directly participating for the proper synthesis, development and maturation of the red blood cells or RBCs are two. One is referred as folic acid or folate. It is also referred as vitamin 9. And another is important is vitamin B12. The general term is referred as cobalamin. It is also referred as cyanocobalamin and adenosylcobalamin. So cobalamin mean ultimately we can say two are very important hematopoietic vitamins. One is vitamin B9, that is the folic acid or folate, and another is vitamin B12. Now folate by name it is clear. Folate has been taken from the part of the plants. So they are rich in green vegetables. The major sources of the folic acid are for folate is leafy green vegetables. Thing is this, and in biochemical part of the folate is how this particular folate is participating into the biochemical reaction, and it's participating in the form of coenzymes. Mean we can say the active form of folic acid or folate is a tetrahydrofolate, that is called THF, tetrahydrofolate. And this tetrahydrofolate this tetrahydrofolate is very important for those reactions in which there is the involvement of one carbon metabolism. So the one carbon metabolism reactions are those where there will be the accepting as well as receiving of the one carbon containing radicals or content such as the CH3, CH2, CH, etc. and etc. So it is famous for this one also. Another thing is this, the folic acid also responsible for the formation of the heme biosynthesis or heme synthesis as well as for the DNA synthesis. Same thing is there also regarding to the vitamin B12 also. Mean the basic concepts of hematopoietic vitamins is the biosynthesis of heme as well as DNA synthesis. If any one of these basic concepts will be disturbed, then it will be cause for anemia. Destruction of more RBCs or formation of immature RBCs or not proper development of RBCs, ultimately what will happen? It will manifested in the form of anemia. So folic acid is very very essential, we can say, vitamins for those individuals, mainly we can say pregnant women as well as lactating women. There is need of folic acid for the proper formation of the RBCs. And as we know that RBCs are very very important for the transport of the oxygen from one cell to another cell, mean each and every cells of the each and every cell will be provided oxygen with the help of transportation of RBCs. Where hemoglobin is there, hemoglobin binds the oxygen and provide it. So that is the transportation of oxygen. So one thing is this, we can say the folic acid is one of the most important component of hematopoietic vitamin. And the clinical manifestations which will happen due to deficiency of folic acid, that is referred as macrocytic anemia. So this is one thing. Another, if we are taking the vitamin B12, or we can say cyanocobalamin. So here it also acts as a coenzyme and co-carboxylase cobalamin, mean carboxyl cobalamin. They are participating in so many metabolic activities to lead the proper reactions. Vitamin B12 is very very important for the formation of the DNA synthesis. If DNA synthesis will be there, then proper proteins will be there and formation of proper RBCs will make. Otherwise, RBCs will not be developed up to mark, and that will be the cause for the pernicious anemia as well as we can say megaloblastic anemia. So, due to deficiency of you can say vitamin B12, there will be the pernicious as well as megaloblastic anemia will be there. And complications of this due to this one megaloblastic anemia or complications will be there, such as we can say neurological disorders will be there, body will be lethargy, and malaisness will be there. So such type of things we can observe in those cases who are deficient in vitamin B12. And vitamin B12, deficiency of vitamin B12 is very very common those who are pure veg, because its sources are lesser in veg than the animal. The major source we can say meat, liver, etc. And these are the major source. That's why it is recommended that vitamin B12 we should be supplemented if we are getting such type of symptoms not so perfect. Ultimately, according to us, the folic acid as well as vitamin B12, these two hematopoietic vitamins are very very important to keep as a supplement to the lactating as well as you're pregnant woman, because in that case there will be a need of maximum RBCs, so that these should be their optimum adequate amount. Ultimately our thing will be okay. So I think that it was the little bit of knowledge and little bit things of this one, and very very thanks to all of you in this way. It is adequate for today. We will meet again. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.